I am back to vlogging with my Sony. So yeah, I think it was a nice experiment vlogging with the iPhone, but back to the Sony. I think it's always nicer on a mirrorless. You got the mic, you can hear me despite all this noise around. And yeah, I think there's something about vlogging on a mirrorless camera. So yeah, new week, and I'm off to get my vaccination today. I've been lucky enough to get a slot. And I'm going to talk to you more about how I got that slot. Absolute trial and error, but it works. So yeah, now some breakfast and off to get my jab. Was some sort of confusion as to why I couldn't get vaccinated now, but it seems to be working, so I hope it's like a easy.
This ain't complicated! Exclamation! I got pounds and pennies playing on my target's a red beamer. Did you hear me?
So 30 minutes done. I seem to be fine so far, which is good. I got a nice long scooter ride back home. To get some ice cream.
Niggas better duck when I'm peeking. Is this the money man speaking? How's life keeping? Fuck it with the money, yeah. Tell me where the money backs. I just need to know I'm getting paid. Trying to get that Cali money, yeah. On time, fam, that's how I like it. I don't wanna have to chase a man. Do not instigate me, fam. I don't wanna.
So it's second day of the vaccine, and I did feel feverish. I had the chills, I had the sweats, I have some crazy body pain, and my head's so heavy. It's like I don't know. So yeah, I hope the day goes better, but definitely no cycling today. I hope I can cycle tomorrow because I have some deliveries to make. Heavy duty deliveries.
It's very handy.
So you plan to buy an e-bike, Nikhil?
No,
Don't buy it.
I mean, it is a easy way to roam around when you're in a hurry. Me, at least, I'm always late. So
Same, dude. That's my scene.
How many kilos is that today?
huh?
How many kilos is that?
Same.
8 kilos.
Oh, you got to get a reduction, eh?
Oh yeah.
Wait, you're not even carrying it, bro.
Number 5. Number 5.
Okay.
Yeah.
Prathibimba Trust. Can you tell me more about this?
Definitely, yeah. So first of all, thank you so much, and that's a great pleasure meeting you all. And it's a crucial time, right? We all are going through a tough situation, and I really appreciate all the youngsters like you joining us and supporting the needy, right? So basically, we are from Team Prathibimba, an NGO based out of Bangalore, and we started this NGO sometime in 2014. It's been 8 years since the inception. And yeah, we are a group of IT professionals. Most of them are working, right?
I was going to ask you that. Is this like a full-time thing or is it like...
Basically it's a part-time NGO,
Right.
and we operate over the weekends. So we keep all 5 days we have a day job, and over the weekend we do bit of our contribution to society. So just to give a background, we have 4 focus areas in Prathibimba, and the primary one is education.
Okay.
So education, environment, social upliftment, and health. All these are all the 4 focus areas, and I think 6 of us started this NGO. Now it has been grown up with 100 plus members, working across all the sectors of the society.
Nice. Any of the 6 over here?
I think almost five.
Nice.
So we are the core team, and I am the founder president of Prathibimba. And till date, we have developed more than 150 schools across Karnataka, government schools, and officially on papers we have adopted 7 schools at Chikmagalur district. And we have helped many government hospitals. We have facelifted them, and much more. And in COVID situation, we have distributed more than 950 grocery kits for the needy family. And last year, we have helped more than 10,000 people, helping them with a cooked food package. So that's pretty much about Prathibimba.
Nice. Is there anywhere somebody can contribute to your fund?
Definitely.
A website or a...
Yeah, we don't. This is an what do you call? Kind of a startup, right?
Right.
So we don't have any godfather like politician or anything, and so we totally depend on our members. Membership fee as well as crowdfunding.
Got it.
So all the details are available on our website as well as our Facebook page.
Got it.
We are on all the social media platforms.
Nice.
And I look forward for all your support and contribution.
Sweet.
We all can join hands, and then we can do wonders to the society.
So,
Thank you so much.
Cheers, dude.
Hey.
Last time we shot a video together,
Yeah, man.
like 2 years back.
It is 3 years back.
3 years back.
Yeah.
Shit. And now you're here with a cycle,
Yeah,
but you're
man.
the e-bike, dude. No hate for e-bikes. So what got you into this, man? How did this
I mean, I've been riding long back. I think in 2010, 2011, I used to ride
Right.
a road bike, and then I somehow got lost in between, and then I saw an e-bike, and then I was like, okay, fine,
Nice.
maybe this will be a good stepping stone for me to get back into cycling, and then I bought it. I
Yeah,
use it for
100%.
daily commutes
Nice.
because I'm late all the time, so this helps me be
Dude,
fast.
I totally understand that. I'm always the last person in my race.
Yeah. So after I got a little confidence with this, I again bought another road bike.
Nice.
I ride. But sometimes I ride to work on my road bike as well.
Nice.
But occasionally I use.
How did the relief riders happen? How did this happen?
I saw on. I think I saw from your post too.
Oh, really?
I think I saw from your post, and I saw a few other guys posting about this.
Right,
and
right,
then
right.
I wrote to them.
Nice.
Then I signed up.
Hey, good stuff, dude. Good seeing you, man.
Yeah. Nice seeing you too after a long time.
I swear, dude. And you have a fixie also now, right?
Yeah. I just bought it 2 weeks back.
Nice.
So I'm just getting used to it.
That's nice.
I think it needs a service, so I'll come back.
Good seeing, bro. Good
Yeah.
seeing. Come,
Let's go. Hey, please, man.
let's go.
Let's go.
Let me know, let me get that.
She bought me quick and mixing up the different products. Get your problems into my liquor bottle and genelect to make a gender generalize the women that I'm sitting next to. Whispered, oh my god, I think I seen them on a my type, but I like. If y'all like what I like, then my night is fine night. But we get it started up. Ooh, you got the curve thing, let your curl hang. Girlfriend look like everything I'ma regret tomorrow, but you just wanna hang with the A-list. Cussing women out and kiss my mother with the same list. You can keep your name, who you came with. Keep it real, it's not my business, but we in it for the same shit, girl. I know you using me.
Such lightweight bags somehow you carry. Bro, you ride my bike for some time. I'll ride yours. Bro, please. Why not? I won't crash it, man. I'm good. Shall we?
You squats now?
Hey, fuck off. Come, let's go.
I'm getting cramped laughing, bro. We are looking for our drop.
It says 89 kilometers. 89 kilometers from where we are. Right. That's what we need.
Marinapalya gems. So yeah, the problem is people who we're delivering to, they don't really have proper addresses because, you know, the daily wage workers or something like that. So we hope we find them now.
Come down.
I can't laugh so hard because I'm getting cramps laughing, dude.
Fuck if you coming to scoop you up, it's Gucci. I'm a doozy, where when I pop off, but just in case I fall asleep, or let the top log off, and you can
Yeah. That's a perfect bike for you.
Yeah.
Yes. This is for Shakuntala, right? That's Shakuntala. You're a neighbor.
Face.
How you feeling, bro? Yeah?
What?
I've got the crotch shot.
Why the fuck, bro? Why? Like, I don't want to make you feel like any less of a man.
No break. One break.
Two
You gotta put it in forward. Don't act like you never been chauffeured. You gotta put it in forward. Cause I got something for ya. That's from Magnolia.
got a thing like couple inches from a fight to flow.
bit heavy. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. No problem. Thanks. Okay, Parang bhai London.
Good weekend.
Everything. Good, bro. Good stuff.
So looks like it's the end of the vlog. Maybe almost. First ride. I'm home in about 2 minutes. Yeah, this was a hard ride. So it's gonna be back to outdoor rides tomorrow onwards, and maybe a 100-kilometer ride tomorrow. Let's see. You're gonna see that in next week's vlog. So before I leave, I have to tell you about the vaccination and how I got it. Like, I didn't have any pull, I didn't know anybody, nothing. It just was absolute luck. So all you have to do is you need to make sure that one, you have to be like subscribed onto the Telegram app for the updates in the under 45 blah blah blah. I can probably share the link in my description. You can get it from there. Most of you are already in there. Two, you need to be logged into the Coven app. The Arogya Setu app does not work. It's absolute shit. I've been trying it since the longest time and nothing ever happened. And three, so make sure you're logged into the Coven website. Probably keep some time aside in the day to do this. I happen to have this window during the day where I said, okay, I'm going to look at getting looking to get a vaccine shot. And it so happened that the moment I logged into the Coven website, I happened to put the pin code of 560, which is the Bangalore pin code, and the pop-up came up for the Telegram notification saying it's in this place. I just put the last 3 digits of the pin code, and whatever came in front of whatever my eyes could see, like wherever my eyes went, I just clicked on that, put in the capture code, and boom, I got it. Like I got it like in Colombia, Asia, Sajapur, like 22 kilometers from my place, but it worked. So 15 seconds, that's the window, because I've done like 30-second window, 25-second window, nothing happened. 15 seconds from the time the notification comes on your desktop or your Mac on Telegram to clicking and registering, that's your golden window. Get a vaccination.